Hey there, going to shoot a quick video on how to plug a tire. You're going to run into this a lot in the roadside assistance business. You see a nail right in the middle of the tire. The customer asks you, hey, can you just plug that for me? Yep, sure can. It's X amount of dollars. But before we get into this video, please follow me, like this video, add a comment, ask any questions, favorite it. Stuff like that helps me a lot. And, you know, I really want to keep providing value to you guys and showing you how to do stuff. But just show me a little love, like it, favorite it, comment on it, ask me a question, anything. All right, usually I would spray it down to try to find it if I don't see it. But here is a nail right there. We should be able to dig that out of there. And then we're just going to use a blackjack plug kit to get that fixed. All right, one thing I recommend doing, even in this case I'll do it, is when you see the problem, draw a circle around it. Mark the spot. X marks the spot. You pull that out, you can't see the hole, whatever, or you find it once and then you lose it. Got some needle nose pliers. I usually start with pliers. Get the flathead screwdriver out. Man down, man down. Make a little wedge here. Alright, making some progress. One of the ideas with plugging a tire is you don't want to plug it out here. Okay, you got to be inside this line, inside the tread there. You don't want to plug them on the sidewall or when they're too far outside. Kind of wrestling with this a little bit. It's a screw. Popped it out a little bit. Well, that is a pretty long bolt there. You can hear the air rushing out. I can see the hole. Now, first step, you want to ream it out. So you take your reamer. Now, sometimes you have to get some body weight on there. All right. And I've got my plug ready to go. Same thing, just put some ass in it. Pull it out fast. Finally, you're going to want to take your little razor knife, trim that up a little bit. Usually I would test this with a spray bottle. It's my car, and my spray bottle water is frozen because it got to 19 degrees and I didn't put it in the cab. But I'll bet you that's going to be okay. Another thing you would do is, spray the rim, spray the valve stem, all that. Make sure there's no obvious leaks.